Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Jack from Doors. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start at the top, and let's draw a curve over and down on the left, and the same on the right. Now from both ends, let's bring it down. Now for the end of the left side, let's curve it in and then back up, leaving a small gap on the right. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and draw the details. Let's start at the top in the center, and let's draw a curve down to the left and back up. And then from the right, let's draw two pointed curves over. And then curve it over to the right side. Now let's hop back over to the other end of our line and let's curve it down. Now for the end, let's draw a point down and back up. And then a long angle down for the side of the nose. Now from the end, let's bring it in. Then let's add a bump. Another curve down, and then one more. Now from the end, let's curve it over to the right and back down for the top of the mouth. Now from the end, let's angle it up, back down, forming a kind of wavy zigzag line all the way up to the right like this. Now let's curve it in at the end. Now an angled line down. And then let's add a curved line all the way down and back up over on the left. Next, let's move inside and add the teeth. Inside at the top here, let's draw a rounded rectangle shape over to the left. And then another one next to it on the right. Now on the left side, let's draw a curve up, an angle up on the left, and then close off the top, forming a triangle-shaped tooth. Now let's hop over on the right side. Let's draw a curve at the bottom, a curve up on the top, and then close it off on the side. Now let's add one more tooth on the right. We'll start with an angle up, and then a curve underneath. And that's it for the teeth. Next, let's move up and draw the eye. In the top right section here, let's draw an oval shape. Now let's start coloring in some of the parts in black. Let's start first by coloring the eye. Then the top section, and then the large section on the left excluding the teeth. Next, let's add some extra details on the face. On the top, let's draw a bunch of diagonal lines here. A few more above the mouth. And then on the right side. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and add the neck. Let's start on the bottom left of the head and let's draw a pointed zigzag line down like this. And the same thing on the right. Now from the ends, let's curve it down and out on both sides. And then a curve at the bottom. And lastly, let's color the neck in black. And that's it for Jack. Thanks for drawing along with me, and please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!